delicious fried chicken wings recipe. Let's make it. .8 pounds chicken wings. Make shallow cut on both sides. One teaspoon of grated ginger. A half teaspoon of black pepper. 1 teaspoon of paprika. A quarter teaspoon of chicken powder, optional. Give it a good massage. Two tablespoons of soy sauce. One tablespoon of oyster sauce. Mix well. Marinate for at least 1 hour. Refrigerate. 1 hour later. One small beaten egg. Three-quarters cup of flour. 4 tablespoons of cornstarch. One teaspoon of baking powder. Mix well. Dip the wings in the beaten egg, then coat them with the flour mixture. Remove excess flour. Ready for frying. Heat the cooking oil. Deep fry until golden brown. Use low-medium heat. Flip to cook the other side. Remove the wings from the pan. Bon appetit! Wow, incredibly delicious!